How to pause location in Life360. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application 360 is already installed on a device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or the Play Store and then install it. Once it has been installed, open the app, enter your login credential, and then make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. It will show you the exact location on where you are. If you want to pause this location, head over to Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here inside Universal Settings, you have to proceed to Account. In here it says your location sharing, which means that the location sharing is turned on right now. If you want to pause the location, all you want to do is toggle off this button. Once this option has been toggled off, the location will be paused successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can pause location in Life360. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.